So, biomagnetism gave me my life back. My name is Danielle Hillary, and I am a biomagnetism practitioner. I currently live in Maryland, near Baltimore, and I came to biomagnetism with my own health struggles. So I have been very, pretty healthy person, and then I woke up one morning and my left arm had swollen up about this big. I thought I had a blood clot, and I ended up being diagnosed with something called rhabdomyolysis. It just means there's a massive death of the muscles in your body. I had intense muscle and joint pain. I started losing my ability to walk, and they could never diagnose me with anything. It didn't get better. A good friend of my brother who lived in California heard about how I was suffering, and herself was also a biomagnetism practitioner, and she said, "You need to go see Dr. Garcia." My first session with him was so long. I had so many magnets. Dr. Garcia is such a caring person. He's a fantastic therapist. He's truly gifted. And when you first come into him, he's just so warm and inviting. You just finally feel like you're someplace where somebody can help you. And when you're in such a desperate situation like that, it just means the world to be able to feel that way. And I don't remember feeling anything in particular that day, but the next day I woke up and the swelling in my arm was slightly down from where it had been. And that was a huge difference than what we had seen. We were so excited. I just felt so much better. I just had so much that my body had to flush out that it took a little bit. And then I was like, holy cow, I feel like my old self. I went back, and each time I saw him, I would feel better and feel better and feel better from the sessions. I started powerlifting, as a matter of fact. I was able to powerlift throughout my whole pregnancy and afterwards. But I was able to get back all of the things back to how I had been before I initially got sick, and even better than that. And I just connected so strongly with the therapy and how it helped me. I just knew I had to do it for other people. So that's why I'm here.